This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Mark Collins. This beautifully designed 3-bed/3 full bath Avalon Park West home comes with a great office or den. A fantastic open floor plan that seamlessly connects living, dining, and kitchen areas, ideal for both entertaining and daily living. The primary bedroom, with ensuite, is spacious and can fit a king-sized bed with all the extras. Elegance abounds with its tray ceiling and dual walk-in closets. A private guest suite with its own bathroom and walk-in closet offers a perfect retreat for visitors, ensuring their comfort and privacy. All countertops are premium granite. An oversized great room overlooks the scenic backyard and includes a custom built-in home theater for movie night and for listening/dancing to your favorite tunes. The flooring is tile and premium laminate throughout, no carpet. The kitchen boasts a very large island at counter height with plenty of space for preparing and serving delicious meals. Kitchen also features matching stainless modern GE appliances, custom pennant lighting, tall 42 inches stacked and staggered cabinetry, beautiful backsplash, and a walk-in pantry for all your storage needs. The large private fenced-in backyard with screened lanai and sprinkler system, backing up to a serene pond, provides a tranquil setting where you can enjoy watching local wildlife, eagles, deer, birds, and so much more. The spacious 3-car garage/driveway offers plenty of storage and room for all your vehicles and hobbies. But there's a lot more. Situated in a peaceful neighborhood of Avalon Park West, this home is more than just a residence, it's a lifestyle. Avalon Park West truly has it all. Avalon Park West features tree-lined streets, neighborhood parks, and extensive trails, making it an ideal place for outdoor activities and social gatherings. The community also offers top-notch amenities, including 2 clubhouses, 2 pools, 1 is resort style, and a dog park. Everything is within walking or biking distance. This wonderfully designed masterplan community blends the charm of small-town living with modern amenities. And don't forget the downtown center. It is destined to become a vibrant hub for residents. Once complete, under construction now, its mix of retail, restaurants, and office spaces will provide a variety of conveniences right at your doorstep. Avalon Park West also hosts regular events and activities, enhancing the lively atmosphere of living here. This makes it a perfect spot if you value both community interaction and access to modern conveniences within a peaceful, well-planned environment. Don't miss your chance to own this exceptional home in a community that offers everything you need for a vibrant, convenient lifestyle. The seller will assist the buyer with closing costs. Ask about assuming the veteran's existing mortgage at 3.25%. For more information, review the details below.